AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about AUD against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you will find a link which says swing like a pro. So you can click on that link, then come to this page where you can see these setups and the videos. There are many, and then you can join this program if you want. Okay. Subscribe, like and share, and you can book consultation if you want to speak with me, or you can always join free Telegram. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are above the EMA. Okay. Daily as well we are above the EMA. So two time frames are above the EMA, and 4 hour was above the EMA, and then now it is in the uptrend. So you can see higher highs, and we took a pullback, and as soon we close above the EMA we should be good to go for long. Anyway, so daily is clearly above and weekly is clearly above. So as per the definition, look for longs only. Entry comes from 4 hour. If you want precise entry exit, then join this program. Subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.